Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi A6 with a traditional key. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition slot. Next, confirm your vehicle's transmission is securely in either park or neutral. Then, turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Finally, continue turning the key to the start position until the engine fires up, then release it. Sometimes your Audi might not start immediately. If the engine cranks slowly, a weak battery could be the culprit. If it turns over but doesn't catch, check your fuel level. A low tank is a common reason. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, as this prevents starting. Listen for a brief hum when you turn the key to on, indicating the fuel pump is priming. For optimal starting, always press the brake pedal firmly before turning the key. This ensures all safety interlocks are engaged. Avoid cranking the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to prevent draining your battery and overheating the starter motor. If your Audi sits for extended periods, a battery tender can maintain its charge. Always refer to your specific owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Even with a traditional key, your key fob has a battery that needs replacing every 2 to 3 years. If the fob battery dies, you can still get into your car. Locate the hidden emergency key blade within the fob and use it to manually unlock the driver's door. Then, place the entire key fob into the designated backup slot, usually near the steering column, to start the engine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.